Olsa Tools wrench extender. That's 15 mil. Hey, maybe you got a long set, maybe you don't. This makes it a long set. Just lock it in, bada boom. These guys were gonna snap without heat. Used my 15 millimeter right here, and you got no room right here. Maybe you got a stubby set of sockets. It's really, maybe you don't. Heat, broke it free with the closed end wrench with the wrench extender. Once she's feeling good, switch to the ratcheting wrench. Don't want to break those ratcheters. And bada boom. I'm gonna have fun with the rest of this rust bucket. Whew. Those bushings look mint, don't they? So this is a Braun Intervan. It's a Grand Caravan, but for handicap edition kind of stuff. We can't let this one go just because of a little bit of rust. New handicap vans are expensive. Got to keep them moving. She's pretty nasty. I have multiple customers with these vans. I mean, look at this thing. Like, that's not regular Dodge Grand Caravan support there, guys. It's got extra layers all throughout it. So you come and you see this. Yeah, I could probably put a screwdriver through that. You see some rot here and there. Oh yeah, we got a couple holes starting. Yep, right here. But I ended up putting it right here where we got this little corner piece. Seems like solid support. If you see one this rusty and it needs leaf spring bushings and leaf springs, this thing is bottoming out everywhere it goes. Just decline the job. Just decline it. We're in Rust Haven, torching, wire wheeling, every little thing we touch. So this exhaust has been done multiple times in the past. That's what I'm told. You can see the welded couplers, 1, 2, scraping. It just goes all the way back. So we're gonna put a little more spring in its step. We're gonna bring it up off the ground about where it should be. It takes a lot of weight. So you can buy, you gotta buy the hanger and the shackles. This one I had to take the old Sawzall too. See, these are pressed in. This long bolt right here, that's pressed in as well. And then the nuts on this side. So if you want to change it, you got to take this whole hanger down, and bolts will want to snap on you. I was very careful and slow with all the brackets, and I only snapped one bolt this whole time. That right there is not a bolt, it's just a line-up pin. We got this side about ready to come down, but I'm gonna do that side and then come over to this side and finish this side off. Now that that mounting bracket's loose, that hold down's loose, we can slide the leaf spring off of the pin to the left, and we'll slide our new one on first, and then we'll worry about that side. And then when everything's together, we will bring this rear axle, well, it's not really an axle, is it? I don't know, whatever. We'll bring this whole freaking thing up as one piece. So if you don't got a lift, you're gonna be putting it on jack stands and then using jacks. But yeah, if it looks as crusty as this one, just decline it. I have a hard time saying no. This is a strange style because the little bushing comes with the bolt side. I mean, I could just hammer this right out. There's no metal sleeve to get seized in. This one though does have a metal sleeve. If you check out the new leaf springs, you'll see we have metal bushing, and that bolt's probably going to be seized to that. I'm probably going to end up cutting, boom, boom, and putting a new bolt through, but I'll give it a good try first. If I fail, I fail. Follow for more Rust Belt adventures. Yeah, I should have just bought all new hardware, the hangers, the shackles, everything, instead of stupid mistake, rookie mistake. It almost looks like these bushings have like caught on fire in the past. They're like hard. I mean, it looks like a burnt bushing. Like maybe somebody attempted this in the past and he was using torch and was like, F this. I don't know. I need to buy some fresh Diablo blades because I'm cutting slow AF. Well, this shit's not going to get done by itself. And I need to have this done by 3 p.m. tomorrow. Back to it. Not something I particularly wanted to do today, but when you out of blades, you out of blades. Ooh, shiny. Sure, we don't need any of this. The bolt will replace. We need that. And I was trying to look cool and smack it all off as one chunk. Didn't work out this time. What we can do is just use the angle grinder on the other side.